It's Mother's Day 2014. I got beautiful flowers, purple, and Papa got me something special. We are wondering what Kyrie's gonna do when she sees it. I think she's gonna be incredibly curious about it. She might freak out, but I think she's just gonna want to touch.
I got some scallops to go with it too. What's this, huh, Kyrie?
What is that?
Nice 4-pound lobster, that's what that is.
You gotta be careful, okay? He's alive. Go measure. He's alive, honey. That's a lobster. Lobster. Be careful. That's a lobster.
Thing's 1/6 your size, kid.
Be careful. See all these little mouths? See his mouth? Lobster. We're gonna eat him.
Very curious.
Very curious.
Good, I'm glad she's not afraid of him.
Like I was when I first saw him. Lobster.
Yeah, she ran.
Well, I opened the bag and then something moved. I'm like, oh, it's moving. Oh, it's a lobster.
She went clear across the room. Don't be fooled.
Until you put the lobster on the table, then I was able to approach him. That's a lobster. Come here.
Touch him with your hand. Just show her that's okay.
Look. Look at here. See? He's like, I will do it on my own time. A lobster. You can touch him. We're gonna eat him tonight.
Mama says he smells like home.
He does. He smells like Florida. Don't pull. Don't pull. Just because we're going to eat him doesn't mean you have to be mean.
She can feel the whiskers. It's okay.
I want her to pull them off.
Well, just don't pull them, but you can feel. He's just feeling them.
Okay. As long as she's just feeling them, I just don't want her to pull them. His legs moving? Yeah? It's a lobster. Are you asking questions about him? He's from the ocean. Yeah, he's probably in the ocean yesterday.